Trump reportedly explored suspending habeas corpus to detain migrants. Without legal challenge, sources say former President Donald Trump was involved in serious discussions about suspending habeas corpus, one of the oldest legal protections in American law. This move would have allowed the government to detain migrants without giving them the chance to contest their detention in court, essentially locking people up without needing to justify why. Habeas corpus, which literally means "you shall have the body," is a fundamental legal safeguard that prevents authorities from holding individuals without showing a valid reason. Historically, it's only been suspended during extraordinary circumstances, like times of real war or direct invasion. According to legal experts, including George Mason University law professor Ilya Salman, those moments have been rare. The writ of habeas corpus has been suspended a number of times, but only in times of actual war or actual invasion, narrowly defined, Salman said in a past interview. While the Constitution doesn't spell out that Congress must approve such a suspension, it's been widely accepted that lawmakers would need to be involved. Even the late conservative Supreme Court Justice Antonin Scalia believed in this interpretation, emphasizing the balance of power among government branches. Some states have previously tried to label illegal immigration as an invasion, particularly since the 1990s, in an effort to gain more authority over immigration enforcement or bypass federal restrictions. But the courts have consistently ruled against these arguments. Every time courts have ruled on this, they have ruled against the states, Salman added. Throughout his presidency, Trump and his top advisors, particularly Stephen Miller, were vocal about their frustration with the courts. They often claimed that the judicial system was a roadblock to their immigration policies. In fact, Trump publicly criticized judges who ruled against his administration, while Miller once described unfavorable court decisions as a judicial coup. Amid growing concerns about the executive branch overreaching its powers, Chief Justice John Roberts spoke up this week to remind Americans of the judiciary's crucial role. During a public appearance in Buffalo, New York, Roberts said, "The judiciary is a co-equal branch of government, separate from the others, with the authority to interpret the Constitution as law and strike down obviously acts of Congress or acts of the president." He went on to emphasize that the courts aren't just there to decide legal cases. They're also responsible for checking the actions of Congress and the president when those actions exceed constitutional limits.
For full video, click related link below or like and subscribe this channel.